Today we're going to add some style to the front of this 2015 Comp Orange GT with a custom set of marker lights from ACCELATEC. These ACCELATEC marker lights come with a smoke lens and feature sequential LED turn signals. They'll have an amber LED for the turn signal and then a white LED normally. Going to be direct replacements for your factory marker lights on your 2015 through 2017 Mustang and your 2015 through 2020 GT350 or 350R. So you can actually do this installation on the ground if you want to by turning the wheel all the way to the left and then getting here this way. We're actually going to put it up in the lift because one, we have one that's a lot easier, and honestly it's more easier for you to see with the wheel off the car. The first thing you're going to do, remove the 3 clips in here and then 2 underneath so we can pull back the splash shield and access the back of the factory marker light. And grab the splash shield, just kind of put it back behind the brake, out of the way. You can see the back of the fog light marker light assembly. We're going to start by disconnecting the plugs, just get them out of the way. Now we can unbolt the assembly. All right, so the plug's off. We can remove the whole marker light fog assembly. Basically, there's 2 screws back here, and then follow the ones around the outside edge to remove the housing from the body. All right, now you can remove the housing once the screws are removed. What you want to do is kind of go on the outside where the fog light area is and sort of push, and they'll pop off the body clips and bring the whole housing out. We're going to remove all these screws so we can access the marker light. If you remove some of the wrong screws in the process, don't worry about it because they all basically come off at this point anyway. Pull out the factory marker light. Grab our new light. Feed the harnesses through, put it in the stock location, and then reinstall the factory screws. These screws are designed to cut into the plastic, so just make sure they're lined up straight before you start putting them all in. Now this area right here above the RH, just clean that with some alcohol, make sure that area is nice and clean. We're going to be installing some double stick tape there. Plug this into the harness here. Remove the double stick tape. Make sure it's clear of everything and just install that right there. All right, our new assembly is ready to be installed in the car. And put the housing back in from the side. Line up all these tabs. Pop it into place. And go back and install the screws. Now we can reinstall the plugs. Before you install the splash shield and your wheel and tire, if you removed it, grab the keys and check to make sure it works. Hit the unlock button. You'll see the sequential and the white. Hit the lock. Everything works properly. Repeat the process on the other side. Our ACCELATEC marker lights add a really nice custom touch to the front of any S550 Mustang. The white LEDs match the DRLs really well, and the sequential turn signal gives it a real modern look. The installation, as you saw, is pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour or two. We'll be back on the road in no time.